Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now to the video. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to do Revel's Eat, Drink, and Be Berry tonal set. So I got them all set up, ready to open up. We're going to start with this. This is number 1. So that's a pretty pink. And this is going to be like a pinkish purple. And number 3, a purple with a shimmer in it. That's very pretty. Another purple with a shimmer. Looks like they all might have shimmer in them. And then last but least, number 5. That's a darker plum with a shimmer. All right, so I'll get everything ready to start swatching them, and we'll be with you in a few. Okay, let's see how long until the dogs start making noise. All right, so the first one, let's just go in order of numbers. So, number 1. It's been storming here the last few days, so the dogs are just going mad not being able to play outside. And I've noticed when my house is cold inside, my base coat doesn't dry very well. And then go to number 3. Number 4.
Garage back door motion. Laundry room motion.
Just sit them in there for a second. This is crazy. I have to get a little heater in this room. Alright, so first coat's done. We'll let those dry since they're going to take longer. And I'll be right back. Okay, so they are dry now. And we're going to take our base coat and go back in for a second coat. So we're just going to paint it on. I'm not real particular about how my swatches are done. Just need them enough so I can see what color I'm working with. And if you've noticed, I do them from the underside to save on time and product. That way I don't have to put a top coat on. It sounds like we have a baby Taz at the gate wanting to come in. Puppies are just not happy when I'm in here. Seems like I never have time. Oh, and I'm not on camera. I'm going to have to get me something so I can see what I'm doing. And that will be the last coat for our 2 coats of these. And let's pull them out, clean them up, brush off the excess. And then we'll do the after so you can see what the colors look like. Got a little bit of foil on my thing so it won't brush. Good to know. I think this brush might be actually needing to be cleaned off or something because it's just not taking everything off. Never had that happen before. So we'll just wipe them off with a paper towel. Okay. I'll get this set up for the after and we'll see you in a few. Okay, and there's our finished tonal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They gradually get darker. And this is the Eat, Drink, Berry set from Revel. See you in the next one.